Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about Crypto.com coin CRONOS, and we had an epic pump today. Now, a lot of you guys know that I myself hold quite a bit of CRONOS tokens. Yes, I sold a small touch of them just because I had so many, and I had some questions about the card. We'll talk about what I'm currently utilizing my Crypto.com card for and why the market is pumping for this particular project today. If you guys like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. I got 3 videos coming to you guys every single day. And if you're trying to open up a trade right now, there is $4,100 for you guys when you use the link down below, sign up for FMX, open up a trade, you can get up to $4,100. So take advantage of it while you got the chance. Let's take a peek here at the charts for the day because crypto's been pretty exciting. Bitcoin hanging in 23K, Ethereum at 1,600 and change. And let's look at the top gainer here in the last 24 hours. If you filter here, you go, boom, you got some CRONOS token over the last 7 days. It is up 28%. A big, beautiful gaining number. And there's a little bit of news why, but let's just take a peek here at the chart on the last 7 days. Beautiful, beautiful movement. We were from 13 cents, came all the way up to almost 16 cents today. It was very, very close. But if you look at the year, there's still a lot of upward movement we might see yet. And so we'll have to see exactly what happens. But why was the price of the CRONOS chain pumping today? Why was CRONOS token going up? Well, here's why, and this was a great article by the Motley Fool. When I looked into it, turns out basically they're working on upgrading this program. According to the CRONOS chain developers, the blockchain's upgrade is intended to provide a greater network scalability and improvements to the system. And according to Motley Fool, these things are certainly important when you're competing against Binance and Coinbase Global in this space. That's what they say. And they go on to mention here the $700 million naming rights deal for the Staples Center. Well, people were talking about that deal. Here was an interesting article I saw by CoinDesk as well. This is people bashing the deal. And note that in the Motley Fool article, they didn't even mention FTX. But Crypto.com and FTX spend a lot of money on getting these exchanges out in public, right? I mean, they bought the Staples Center and they bought the naming rights to the Staples Center, and look where they are today. I mean, it's all over the news, and this is huge. And, you know, in this article, they're saying, well, what if they can't afford to pay? These guys are cash rich. They made a move because they knew they could afford it. And I wanted to show you guys this as well. So I was looking at the Twitter for Crypto.com, and let's just note here, they have 2.4 million followers on Twitter, which is absolutely massive, and they are growing, which is beautiful. Over 10 million users on the exchange, way over now, and 2.4 million followers on Twitter. People still using the cards. You know, this is how I use the cards, right? I get cash back still. You know, I got rid of my stake. I still have so many CRO tokens. I still use it as an ATM card for cash back, so I still get my use out of it. But check out this video right here. I wanted to show you guys. So look at this, and let's. So in this video, I want you guys to notice. There's your Crypto.com ad. Every time somebody passes somebody, boom, Crypto.com ad pops up, and they do a little thing. Also to note here, and this is F1 Racing, on these cars, you're going to see FTT and FTX ads, and you're also going to see, and you'll see in the beginning, boom, FTX right there, and look at this other car coming up. You'll see Binance. Now you're seeing on the cars and you go, well, I don't see Crypto.com on these cars. Well, it's there somewhere, but boom, it's on the actual network itself. This is actually, they have slides, like, so they're the bigger sponsor. So these partnerships they have are incredible. I mean, Crypto.com is absolutely everywhere, and they're still investing in this, and people are still hanging on to the cards. So they're doing great, but the reason that they're pumping right now is because they're just upgrading the network. They're going to have greater capabilities, and people are really excited. I mean, guys, look at this exchange. Look at how beautiful this website's put together. They take a lot of time They put a lot of energy into this. Yes, people love to rip on Matt Damon, but guys, this was a cool commercial. If you're a crypto person, you liked it. If you're a crypto hater, you probably didn't, and that's just how it is. And I feel like just Matt Damon kind of gets a lot of flack anyway, just because he's kind of Matt Damon, and I kind of like Matt Damon, but anyway, fortune does favor the brave. If you're buying the dip right now, then you are most certainly brave, and that's exactly what it takes to make money. If history has shown anything, you get rich during a bear market, you don't get rich during a bull market. If you buy during the bear market and you hold on through the bull market and you take profit during the bull market, you're a winner, and that's what we're trying to do here. I'm very, very excited for the future of this project, guys. Articles like this, it's just a bunch of FUD, and you saw today what a huge price increase out of this coin. I mean, 11 or 12% today. Absolutely huge. Love to see that. Made a huge move for my portfolio, and I hope it did the same for yours today. I love Crypto.com. I love FTX. I think these are some great exchanges, and I'm very excited to see what comes next for these projects into the next bull run. Well, that is all I have for you guys here in this video. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, you gotta remember to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.